Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to another instructional video of JSE Data Foundry. Today, I'm going to discuss with you the MyFeed functionality, which you can find on the left-hand pane right at the top. So the MyFeed interface is extremely simple, and what it's trying to do is communicate to you when your data products are ready. You might know that some products are what we call end-of-day products, and that logically means that these products are not available immediately every day. They typically get created after the end of business, and we refer to that date as the so-called logical date, which is displayed here. And as you can see, I've got multiple entries down the list going back to the 13th of March for a product called latest index statistics, all the way back. We'll also show you in the screen the date and time of when the product was physically generated and when this notification was actually generated. And as you can see, on Friday the 4th, at 23:15, this product was generated. And it's interesting to note that it's not always happening at the same point in time. Some days it happened the next day, early in the morning hours, and this is probably due to a really busy trading day causing end-of-day batch processing delays. So yeah, each notification applies to a specific output type over a specific channel. In my case, I've only got a JSON output type over the HTTP content channel. Very useful. You can click on the product hyperlink itself, and it will actually bring back the product for you, as you should be aware now, as a JSON website, giving you access to quickly browse the data and look at the accuracy and the quantity of data that you might be having to download. If I go down the list, let's say to the 18th, you'll notice that I get the data for the 18th of March. So this is extremely useful. For each one of these notifications, you also get presented with a product and a subscription link. Now the product link refers to the product builder functionality on the left here, and the subscription link refers to the subscriptions functionality on the left here. Now you don't need to use these to use MyFeed, because MyFeed is simply trying to tell you, hey, your data is ready, go click on it if you need it. But if you do want to fiddle with your configuration, you're able to open the product builder right from here. Look out for a future video explaining the product builder. And if you need to fiddle with your registrations, you can simply click on subscription. And for this particular product, you can then go and look at the JSON over HTTP access token. And you have a whole host of configuration settings, which I will explain in another video. Cool. So let's close these tabs. What you can also note on the screen is this RSS feed button. And I'm going to explain this to you in greater detail in another video, but what is RSS? So RSS is real-time simple syndication. It's almost as old as the internet itself and still extremely useful. And what I have at the top of the screen here is an RSS feed reader, which I've configured to consume Data Foundry. Now if I click this, it shows you the same information in a clickable format. So again, I can click on any of these and the expected behavior is for the data to open. So why is this useful? Well, essentially it's useful because you don't want to spend your whole day in Data Foundry clicking the refresh button hoping that your data is ready. So a feed reader allows you to actually close Data Foundry while you will still be receiving notifications. So in this case, I open a new tab, going on with my life, and I'm actually going to close Foundry. And right now, the feed reader, every 5 minutes, will talk to Foundry automatically, and it will tell you if you've got new information. And again, you can click on any of these links and access the data. That's very useful because you can go on live and your feed reader will notify you. So look out, like I said, for another video on how to configure the feed reader in Chrome. There are also many other feed readers. RSS is an open standard and it works in any web browser, slightly different depending on the plugin or the software that you need to use. We're going to be sharing how to use this product right here. So yeah, look out for that. Have a good day.